Hi everyone, welcome back to another trucker quick tip. When you're trying to get your CDL and do your inspection, a lot of you do the mistakes of trying to memorize the truck parts and where they are and in what order they come. You don't have to memorize that. All you need to do is to actually know them and to read the truck. The way you read it, it's from top to bottom, from inside to outside, and you will not miss anything. Let me demonstrate. I will not name them because it's gonna take more than a minute and I'm trying to do a short here.